Hey, have you ever felt so overwhelmed that your mind and body are practically begging for a break? That moment when stress pushes you to polish off a bag of chips, only to feel frustrated when you step on the scale? If this sounds like you, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how simple detox juices can cleanse your body, calm your mind, and help you lose weight with more energy and balance. These are natural solutions to bring you lightness and clarity, even on the most hectic days. Stick with me until the end because I've got a delicious recipe and a self-care ritual that'll transform your days. Ready to embark on this wellness journey together? Ever felt like stress is running the show? It's like it messes with your mind and your body all at once. Let's break it down. When you're stressed, maybe from a crazy day at work or worries at home, your body pumps out cortisol, the stress hormone. Puts you in survival mode, making you crave sweets or salty snacks. Who hasn't demolished a bar of chocolate after a rough day? Here's the catch. This stress and binge cycle overloads your liver, which is like your body's janitor, constantly working to clear out toxins. When it's worn out, you feel sluggish, bloated, and even gain weight, especially around your midsection. That leaves you feeling even more down, right? The good news? We can help your liver do its job and break this cycle. Want to find out how detox juices can be your secret weapon? So, how exactly do detox juices help you escape this stress and exhaustion trap? Let's dive into the magic, or rather the science, behind it. Your liver is like your body's superhero. It filters toxins, balances hormones, and helps break down fat. But when stress floods it with cortisol, this hero needs backup. That's where detox juices come in. Ingredients like spinach, blueberries, and coconut water are packed with nutrients that give your liver a boost. Spinach, for instance, is rich in magnesium, which relaxes your muscles and soothes your mind. Research shows magnesium can ease anxiety, helping you sleep better. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that shield your liver from oxidative stress. Think of them as tiny protectors against toxins. Coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes, keeping your body in harmony. Plus, these nutrients help your liver regulate cortisol, the hormone that causes belly fat buildup. With your liver running smoothly, you'll notice sharper mental clarity, less bloating, and easier weight loss because your body isn't stuck in fight or flight mode. It's like giving your body and mind a refreshing cleanse, leaving everything lighter. Best part? You don't need anything fancy, just simple ingredients that work together to recharge you. Ready to put this into action with a recipe that's as tasty as it is powerful? Time to roll up your sleeves, or rather, fire up the blender. Let's make the Relax and Recharge Detox Juice, a simple, delicious recipe that's perfect for calming your mind and boosting your body. Blend spinach, blueberries, banana, coconut water, and an optional pinch of chia seeds, all designed to reduce stress and support weight loss. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of fresh spinach, half a cup of blueberries, 1 small banana, 200 milliliters of coconut water, and if you like, a teaspoon of chia seeds. Each ingredient is a powerhouse. Spinach, with its magnesium, relaxes your muscles and promotes better sleep. Blueberries deliver antioxidants that protect your liver, like little shields against toxins. The banana adds natural sweetness and potassium for energy. Coconut water hydrates and balances, while chia seeds, if you use them, provide fiber to keep you full, curbing those stress-induced hunger pangs. The prep is a breeze. Rinse the spinach thoroughly to remove any grit. Toss everything into the blender: spinach, blueberries, banana, coconut water, and chia if you're using it. Blend for about 30 seconds until it's silky smooth. For extra refreshment, serve over ice or use frozen blueberries. It's divine! No coconut water? No worries, swap it for filtered water with a splash of lemon for a zesty kick. This recipe makes a generous glass, ideal for winding down your day. Pro tip: prep the ingredients in the morning and store them in the fridge for a quick blend at night. This juice isn't just tasty, it's a hug for your liver, helping regulate cortisol and leaving you lighter. Want to make it even more special? Let's turn this juice into a moment just for you with a ritual that'll make you glow. Now that you've got your Relax and Recharge Detox Juice, let's turn it into more than just a drink. Let's make it a self-care ritual that nourishes your body and soul. Picture it like tending to a plant. With a bit of regular care, you bloom. Here's the ritual. Every night, carve out 5 minutes for yourself. Find a quiet spot, maybe your patio, your bedroom with a candle glowing, or even a cozy couch. Grab your juice and as you take small sips, practice box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. Repeat for 5 cycles. This technique calms your nervous system, easing stress and setting you up for deeper sleep. Feel the juice's refreshing nutrients working to cleanse your liver and balance cortisol. This moment is a gift you give yourself, a pause in the chaos of the day. Do this 3 times a week, and soon you'll notice more lightness, less anxiety, and renewed energy. Doesn't take much, just you, your juice, and a few minutes of calm. Simple yet powerful, like an inner embrace that reconnects you. Why not start tonight and let this ritual guide you to a calmer, more centered you? Starting this ritual is the first step toward a lighter, more energized version of you, and the results will blow you away. With the Relax and Recharge Detox Juice and box breathing, you're giving your liver the support it needs to flush toxins and regulate cortisol. In just 7 days, expect to feel less bloated, sharper mentally, and sleeping more soundly. That kind of rest that leaves you waking up refreshed. Over time, this regular care helps curb impulsive food cravings, supporting natural weight loss. You deserve to feel this way, light, in control, and radiant inside and out. So, how about giving it a try for a week? Make the juice, do the ritual, and see the difference. Then, drop by the comments to share how you felt. What's your favorite way to unwind? Spill the beans, because we're all in this wellness journey together, nurturing our bodies and minds as one big community. You've got the power to transform your days, one sip at a time. So, are you ready to transform your days with this juice and ritual? Thank you for joining me on this wellness adventure. If you love this recipe and want more tips to nurture your body and mind, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could use a moment of calm, and hit that subscribe button. In my next video, I'll share a trick to supercharge your morning energy. See you there? Let's keep this going together. You're on the path to a lighter, brighter life, and every small step matters. Trust me, you have the strength to care for yourself, to find peace in the hustle, and to shine with an energy that comes from within. So grab that juice, claim your 5 minutes of calm, and celebrate the amazing person you are. If this video warmed your heart, share it with someone special. It might be the nudge they need. Subscribe to stay in the loop for more tips, because together we'll keep this self-care journey going, transforming one day at a time. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.